Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Okay, so I just want to start off by saying thank you so much for the 1,000 subscribers on my channel. You have no idea how much this means to me because I have been on YouTube now for 3 years almost. I think August of this year will be 3 years, and I have put a lot of time and effort and money into this channel. My channel does not bring me any money, and so it makes it really hard, and it makes it even that more important when I see my numbers growing. So I just want to say thank you to all the people that have watched it and believed in it, and I appreciate your continued support. So thank you so much, and thank you for watching my videos and showing up in the comment section. I appreciate everybody so much. Alright, so now I'm going to go ahead and show you the items that I have for the 1,500 subscriber giveaway. And so the next 500 people, I've got like quite a few items here. I mean, it's nothing extravagant because I have to buy it all. So, you know, it makes it that much harder. But I wanted to share some things with you and just say thank you for all your support. So let's go ahead and jump into it. First thing is I always try to give some kind of sample packs with my giveaways. And so my first sample thing is going to be the Jouer, the new foundation that they came out with. When I bought it, I haven't even used it yet because my color match was not right. I got porcelain, and I thought light with neutral undertones is usually what I am. It's not. It's too dark, and so I'm gonna have to wait till I'm more tan to try it. But here's you can pick from all these shades and see which ones work for you. And so I wanted to throw those in there just for fun. You can give them out to your friends, like put makeup on your friends and try it that way. Or you can just like play with them and find your shade and see what you think about this foundation, because this is one that you can't get in, you can't get in stores. You might can now, I don't know. But it's one that if you order it, it's hard to match. So that's just a way for you to figure out if you like it. And then a company sent me these, so I didn't have to pay for these. But they're like knockoff Artiste brushes. And I just love the way they look. Even if you wanted to sit these in your vanity, I just think they're so pretty. It's like the rainbow colors. And that is how they look if you want to try them out. I have so many brushes that I just can't fit anything else on my vanity. So I said, let me just save these. I've had them for a long time. I said I was going to save them to let somebody else try them or to dress up their vanity. So that is the next thing. And then I have a little Too Faced Melted Matte lipstick in the shade It's Happening. I'm going to throw that in there too. And let's see. This was sent to me, and I already had the Modern Renaissance palette, so I really wanted somebody to be able to try this out without having to buy the Modern Renaissance. This is the Royals palette. This is by Bad Habit. This is how the palette looks. Hold on, let me get it to focus. And I'm going to send that in there. I love eyeshadows. We all know that. And so I always get eyeshadow palettes because it's the safest thing to send too. And it's more fun to work with. Okay, and then this is the ColourPop Yes Please palette. I think we've all seen this palette. This was one of ColourPop's biggest palettes when it first came out. It's all warm tones. I'll open it. Let me show you. And it looks like this. It's perfection. I mean, you can like do anything with this palette. So I think this was a really good purchase for somebody who may want to try ColourPop but hasn't yet. And I think that would be a good place to start because you will fall in love with this palette. Alright, and then I'm going to throw in this little Too Faced Peaches and Cream bag. You can like put makeup in it, or you can take it to the beach and put like your bathing suit in it if you need something to keep it, from getting in your bag. I'm just going to throw that in there because I thought that was super cute. And then this is the Bad Habit Rose palette. This is supposed to be like a knockoff palette to the Nicole Guerrero highlighting palette. And so I put this in there because I have so many highlighters that it's ridiculous. And I wanted somebody else to be able to try them. So this is what the highlighters look like. They are really pretty. a lot of different colors for different skin tones. You can use some of them as blush. You can use some of them as almost like a bronzer topper. I think this is a really pretty palette. I was like struggling because I really wanted to try it, but I also wanted you guys to be able to try it even more. So I said I will save that one. So let's put that one down. All right, and then I got a Morphe blending sponge. I bought this a while back when I bought my last part of this giveaway. These are really good. Sometimes if I'm lazy, like today, I did not even wet this sponge. I just sprayed it with some kind of setting spray and put on my foundation and concealer. So I didn't even wet my sponge today. And so I really like it for that. It will eat up some foundation if you wet it. Like you're supposed to wet it. So you will lose some foundation with this one, so you got to be careful. But I just thought that was a good start if you wanted a nice blending sponge. Okay, so this is the Lumi Case. This is a very expensive phone case. The only thing about it is this is for iPhone 7 because that's what I have. And I bought 2 of them at the time. And I didn't really know how long it was going to take me till I did my next giveaway. And so now the iPhone 8 has come out. But if you still have an iPhone 7, this is a great case for selfies because it lights up around the front. And so it just makes like your face look bolder. And like you can get people like all lit up. See how it is on the front. It's got a bunch of people on it. And so that is a very nice case if you have the iPhone 7. If you already have upgraded to the iPhone 8, you can give this as a gift. But it's a really nice case. And the last thing in the giveaway, this is like the #1 thing of this giveaway. Even though it's not the most expensive thing, it's still... you know what? I'm not even going to open it. I'm just going to show you. It is the Jaclyn Heel Palette. Yeah, I am going to open it. Oh, screw it. And this is what the palette looks like. If you have been sleeping under a rock, then maybe you haven't seen this palette. But most of us who love makeup and just enjoy different YouTubers, she is like my queen bee. I love her personality. She is... I mean, everybody loves her. I mean, and then the people who don't, they're like the Kardashians. They love to hate them. You know, like, it's just that kind of party. So, anyway, the Jaclyn Hill palette is like one of the most beautiful things that has ever been created. I do like ColourPop shadows better than Morphe shadows, but I love Jaclyn Hill, and she is just everything to the makeup world. So, I think you'll really, really enjoy this palette. And I'm going to be adding that to the giveaway. So enjoy whoever gets that. Alright, so that is everything that I have for this giveaway. Sometimes throughout like the year, because it's taken me a year like each time I get 500. And so sometimes throughout the year I'll add something to it. Just because I'll pick up something or I'll see something you guys might like. So I'll add stuff to it sometimes. But anyways, that is everything that I bought for you guys and some things that I didn't buy but I saved for you because I wanted you to have it. But I appreciate your continued support and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.